Best YOTTAMASTER HDD docking station. Brand name: YOTTAMASTER. Case material: aluminium. External interface: USB. Internal interface: SATA. Usage: compatible with 2.5-inch HDD, SSD. Material: aluminium. Interface: USB 3.0. Chip: Gbps 561. High quality. This 2.5 inches hard drive RAID enclosure is equipped with aluminium alloy body, which is extremely solid and reliable. Meteor cooling design brings good heat dissipation performance. Real maintenance. Super speed UASP 3.0 to SATA 3.0 and UASP acceleration protocol, effectively increasing the rate of 20%. Up to 8 TB storage capacity. Support single disk up to 4 TB. Double disks up to 8 TB. Multi-RAID modes. This RAID enclosure supports RAID 0, 1, SpongeBob and Clear RAID modes, which can better satisfy various demands of users. Compatible. Suitable for standard 2.5-inch 9.5mm HDD and SSD. Never worry about your old hard drive disk is useless, make them alive. Compatible with Windows, Linux and Mac OS system. If you want to buy this product, click link in the description box.